Oh, okay, this is the Singer Talent, and I am going to show you guys how to fix your bobbin case if it jumps off the track. Okay, so open this up. Got all this goody stuff in here. Let's see. Okay. Sorry, you guys, but I'm doing this with one hand. Okay. This is for top loading bobbins. Okay. One. Hold on. Okay. Lift the presser foot up. Take the foot off. Let me see, how can I get this needle? Take this off. And I can lift this up now. Okay, let's just look in there closer. Okay, now usually mine is fixed because I fixed it, but I always get this problem. And what it is, it's this. Let me see. Do I have a little? No, not that. It's always this little spring right here. This is a spring. This is what keeps it from jumping. There we go. This little spring right here, this moves. So when it jumps out of place, this part be pushed back like this. So when you want to try to figure it out, and take this out. What I like to do is I just take like my little flathead and then I just push it. That's it. Just push it. Because sometimes this can be bent far backwards. See? And I'm going to push this first so you can see it. See, I push it like that and see how it's back a little bit? All you got to do is just press on it. And then it comes back up. And then make sure you put your bobbin in. Wait. Like that. I hope y'all can see this. And then that way, when this rotates, it won't jump this way. As you can see, let me show y'all. Let me take this back out. As y'all can see, I had this problem many a times because you see those holes right there? 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I got like 5 or 6 little holes right there. I had this problem many a time, and I refused to take this to an expensive shop if it was done simple. So I researched this online, Mommy. And I finally found something. Mommy. And I was like, you know what? Let me play with this spring. And Mommy. I just figured it out. I was like, what? This is so easy. And somebody at the shop gonna charge you like hundreds of dollars. No, not me. Not today. All right. And then that's it. And then you just go ahead and put it back. Screw it on. And make sure you get like a piece of scrap of fabric and make sure you're threading your machine correctly, because I did that many of times. I think I'm going to make another video on threading my machine, because sometimes I might forget something is snapped in the wrong place and I'm like, why is my machine broken? Who touched my sewing machine? All right. That's all for today. Just how to fix your bobbin from jumping. Keep it from jumping. off the track.